Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. There is only one day left until WWDC of 2025 and the release of iOS 26 Developer Beta. If you want to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 beta, but can't find the iOS 26 Developer Beta update, don't worry, here's how to fix it. iOS 26 Beta Release Date. First, keep in mind, Apple usually releases the Developer Beta 1-2 hours after the WWDC event, not right away. Therefore, it is normal not to see beta updates. Please be patient. Check if your iPhone is compatible with iOS 26 Beta. Second, make sure your iPhone is compatible. iOS 26 Beta is expected to be compatible with iPhone 11 and newer models. Models like iPhone XR and older may not support iOS 26 Beta. I have posted a list of devices supported by iOS 26 Beta. You can check if your device is listed there. Open the Apple Developer website. Finally, you need to open the Apple Developer website. Scroll down. You can see Apple's latest iOS system. Now, it is still iOS 18. Click it. Here, click the download function in the upper right corner. Log in with your Apple ID. After the first successful login, you will see a message like this. Accept the agreement. Your device will gain access to register for iOS Beta. Only after the above three conditions are met, you can see the iOS 26 Developer Beta version in the iPhone software update and continue to update it. iOS 26 Beta still not showing. If iOS 26 Beta is still not displayed after completing the above 3 points, you can try using Reboot. Once Apple pushes the beta version, Reboot will synchronize it, and you can upgrade to iOS 26 Beta without waiting or complicated settings. Just connect your iPhone to your computer, then open Reboot. On the main interface, click iOS Upgrade or Downgrade. Click Upgrade on the left and follow the prompts to download the firmware to upgrade your iPhone to the latest system. In addition, if you are not satisfied with the latest system, you can also use it to downgrade the iOS system. Download it through the link below the video and try it out. That's it. Follow these tips and you'll be running iOS 26 Beta as soon as Apple officially releases the beta. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS news and tips.